Hello, welcome to Chemistry Buzz and my second video on mass spectrometry. In the last video, I have discussed the fundamentals of mass spectrometry, how the mass spectrometry works. In the mass spectrometry, the solid, liquid, gas, any substance, we can determine its molecular mass. So molecular mass को सठिक भाव में निरूपण करने पाई mass spectrometry गोटे suitable method, suitable study. The substance may be solid or liquid और गैस जदि सॉलिड बा लिक्विड होता है ताहले ताको प्रथमे गैसियस स्टेट को कन्वर्सन करा जाए. गैसियस स्टेट को कन्वर्सन कला परे गोटे हाई स्पीड इलेक्ट्रॉन बीम ताको बोम्बार्डमेंट करा जाए. दैट्स लीड्स टू द आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो जो आयोनाइजेशन हुए, the energy of electron beam is very high, about 70 electron volt. So it leads to ionization and also fragmentation of the molecule. But the mass spectrometer is so designed that it can determine the cations or radical cations only. The neutral fragments may be formed, but it is not detected in the mass spectrometer, and this is a very good method for accurate determination of the molecular mass and molecular formula. So the title of this topic is the mass spectrometry. Okay, so the spectrometry, the term as per the dictionary meaning, is the method of studying and measuring particular spectra. Okay. So for mass spectrometry, the study of and measuring of the mass spectra. Okay. So mass spectra is the ratio of mass by charge. So this is right m by z. But in this particular case, this grade is equal to 1, so we write m by e. So here, as it is a unipositive charge, it may be radical cation or cation. So the m by a is equal to the mass of the ion. So if the ion is molecular ion, then it is molecular mass. Otherwise, it is a mass of the respective ion. Okay. So how this spectrometer records the mass by charge? So this topic is more on the instrumentation. इस सब्जेक्ट रे आमे इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन को विशेष गुरुत्व देते हैं. So large number of cations are formed, different type of cations are formed, radical cations are formed. So there may be repulsion among them. So how they, or collision among them, so how they move and recorded in the mass spectrometer. So for this we have to study the principle of mass analysis. The principle of mass analysis in the mass spectrometer. So जमती कहली कि आमर जिते बड़े इलेक्ट्रॉन बोम्बार्डमेंट होची, इलेक्ट्रॉन रे बोम्बार्डमेंट होची, जिते बड़े radical cations are formed. So then the radical cations are accelerated through electric field and pass through the magnetic field and then collected in the collector, then amplified and fed to the computer, and then we will get the graph. So mass analysis. The mass analysis is performed in the acceleration of ion, and that is in the when the ion passes through the electric field and magnetic field is very crucial. So this phase re kon hue na the ions are separated and assigned different path and they are collected separately in the collector. So let us consider, suppose our M plus dot is a molecular ion. So this is also fragments to M1 plus dot M2 plus dot M3 plus dot. So many radical cations are formed due to fragmentation. So how these ions move in the spectrometer, mass spectrometer, without collision, without repulsion, and they are detected and collected at the collector. So the neutral fragments formed, they are not detected in the mass spectrometer. Okay. So when the ion is formed, the cation is formed, it is accelerated through an electric field of voltage, say V. Okay. So then its kinetic energy is equal to half mv square is equal to ev. Okay. Say this is equation 1, where v is equal to velocity of ion and capital V, it is the potential difference or the voltage through which the ion is accelerated. Okay. So why this ion is accelerated? This ion is accelerated to make the kinetic energy of all the ions become same. Okay. So they move in a streamline manner. Okay. So when after acceleration in the electric field accelerated hela pore, it enters to the magnetic field of strength H. Okay. So when magnetic field enter karibo, it will experience a magnetic force. Okay. So that magnetic force is equal to HeV. H is the magnetic field, E is the charge, and V velocity of the ion. So the magnetic field is a circular path and the ion is moving in the circular path. So the acceleration of the ion is equal to v square by r. So according to Newton's second law, the force is equal to m a is equal to m v square by r. Okay, so we have seen the magnetic force experienced is equal to h e v, and according to the Newton's second law, the force is equal to m v square by r. So these two forces are same. So this is equation number 2, and squaring this equation 2, we will have h square v square is equal to m square v fourth by r square. Okay, so this v square is cancelled out, so this is m v square by r square. So this is equal to m v square by r square. Okay, so from the equation 1 we have m v square is equal to 2ev. So putting this value here, we will have h square v square is equal to, this is the m square. So m dot 2ev by r square. Okay, so again this square cancels out, and rearranging this equation we have m by e is equal to m by e. The right side equal m by e is 0. So this will give you h square r square by h square r square by 2b. Okay, so this is the desired equation, and with the help of this equation we will explain the streamlining of the different masses. Okay, so we have now the m by e is equal to h square r square by 2b. Okay, so from this equation m by e is proportional to r square at h and b remains constant. Okay, there are also other probability. So other probability, changing H, magnetic field at a constant volt, keeping the voltage constant, the magnetic field will be changed. So changing voltage at a constant, magnetic field constant H. So the first one, changing magnetic field at constant volt, is called magnetic scanning. Okay, and the second, the changing voltage at constant magnetic field is called electric voltage scanning. Okay, now we will back to the instrumentation, that this one. So what is the role of the magnetic field here? So the role of magnetic field is to assign different paths to the different ions, the different cations formed. Okay, so at this point, up to this point, all the ions reached here with the same kinetic energy, but when they enter into the magnetic field, ଯେତେବେଳେ magnetic field ଭିତରକୁ enter କରିବେ, so the magnetic field will assign them different paths. Okay, so it will assign them different paths to different ions on the basis of m by e, because we have seen the m by e is proportional to r square. So for different m value we will have different r. So these ions will be move in different path. The different path move करेंगे तल तांको भीतर किसी collision हबो नहीं. Okay, and they will be collected at collector. So collector में समाने collection हेबे at different points. Okay, say these will be the different ions, so different points, and for a particular value of m by e, the radius is fixed, so that से गोटे प्रकार आयन रु जिते गुड़े आयन फॉर्मेशन होइथिबे से समस्त गोटे पाथ रे फॉर्मेशन हेबे और गोटे जगह रे डिटेक्टेड हेबे. सो द स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर विल determine m by e and the number of ions formed in the process. Okay, so both qualitative and quantitative measurement. Suppose you know the mole n is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, a very large number, and in the sampling whatever small amount we may take, okay, so that may come around some thousands of molecules, okay, say 10,000 number of molecules. So some huge number of m plus the molecular ion and fragmented ions will be generated, and all the ions will move through the magnetic field and collected in the collector. So another principle is the heavier ions moves slower and the lighter ions moves faster. Okay, ଯେତେବେଳେ magnetic field ରେ entry କରିଯିବେ ଏଠି magnetic field के ଆସିଲା ପରେ some restrictions. First the path is assigned को बाट देकरी से move करिवो से ion टी, तापर तार velocity control हो जाए. heavier mass heavier ion हेथिले slowly move करिवो और lighter ion हेथिले fast move करिवो. Okay, so we will see here the say m by e is proportional to the r square is proportional to 1 by deflection. So deflection माने कौन? What is deflection? Deflection means जैसे बोले गोटे आयन के तार पाथ मूव करूची, okay, मूव करूची, तो deflection how it will deviate from its path to a new path. Okay, so it will deviate from its path to a new path. Okay, so m by e is proportional to r square is proportional to inverse proportional deflection. So the heavier ion हेथिबो ताल कोन हबो less deflect हबो, आउ जदि heavier ion हेथिबो more deflection हबो. काहे ना heavier ion रो radiation is more. So हम जदि इठी देखिबा जे जदि गोटे हेवियर आयन हेछि तो हमर एठी हम देखु से सब आयन माने एठी कलेक्शन होछि. So heavier ion will be this one will be m cluster, and the second one will be the m1 cluster, this will be m3 cluster. Okay, so kon pai na the lighter the ion more will be deflection. So the lighter the ion, more will be deflection. Jodi m1 is greater than m2, then कौन हो? ना r1 is greater than r2. So deflection क्या बोला हो? Suppose d1 will be less than d2. Okay. तो ताले कौन हो ना जोटा के हम इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन देखिले जो गोटे पर्टिकुलर डिफ्लेक्शन जते बेले कमी जाउछि सेते बेले कोन होछि ना से राइट को तार डिटेक्शन पोजिशन आसुची कलेक्टर. Okay, so in this way the different ions formed, they are collected in the collector. So after collection सेगुड़ा को एम्प्लीफायर को फीड करा जीवो, एम्प्लीफायर तो एम्प्लीफाई करके कंप्यूटर को फीड करिवो. सो कंप्यूटर विल जनरेट द ग्राफ दैट इज कॉल्ड मास स्पेक्ट्रा. ओके, सो this is in this way, this is the fundamentals, this is the principle or the on which the mass spectra works. Okay, so and this circular path, this is also called as a Damster's spectrometer. Okay, so this is the Damster's spectrometer. Okay, so you know how the radical cations are formed and they are collected in the collector. So this is the very crucial part, and in the next video we will read the detailed instrumentation process. So the previous video and today's video will be important for the next video, because we will apply these principles, this formula there directly. So in this video I have derived this formula and also let you know. So there are some crucial points. So the electric field is used to accelerate the ions and to impart a uniform kinetic energy. समस्त kinetic energy समान हो जाए जते बेले ए पॉइंट रे से पहुंच जाउछि सेठी कोन होछि सब आयन माने इट इज सेपरेट path हो जाउछि, separate path choose करना होछन on the basis of their mass. Okay, and that is also agree with the separate path में पहुंचले जोटा हेवियर मास थबो से कोन होबो ना धीरे धीरे मूव करिवो, धीरे धीरे मूव करके तार ब्राइटनेस अधिका से कवर करिवो, से आसे एक्सट्रीम राइट रे कलेक्ट हो, ताटु जे कम तार लेफ्ट को आसीबो, ताटु जे कम आउटिका लेफ्ट को आसीबो. ओके, so in this way the total ions formed will be collected in the collector. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you will give your like, comment and share this video among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.